How to cancel MGM Plus subscription. In this video, I will show you how can you easily cancel the Plus subscription of MGM. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open the official website of MGM. And now, as you can see, this is the purchase section of the MGM application. Once you purchase any one of the offer for this application, if you want to cancel it, what you need to do is simply log in into your account first and go to your profile section. Then after, you will see the option of your account. Simply choose the option of membership and subscription from your account section. Then after, you will see the option of MGM. Simply click on the option of cancel subscription and click on yes to confirm it. And that's it. That is how easily you can cancel the subscription of MGM Plus. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.